Hello and welcome to Aztec TV. In this little how-to video, we are going to show you how to lubricate your multi-point door lock. You're not going to need any tools, but you will need some silicone-based lubricant. Silicone-based aerosol lubricants are available from most hardware stores, as well as ourselves. Firstly, open the door to a position where it is comfortable to access the leading edge of the door where the multi-point lock is. It is advised to put a dust sheet on the floor under the door, just in case any lubricant drips down. The application of the lubricant is quite simple. Starting from the top and moving downwards, lift the lever handle to activate the door lock. The locking bolts should extend. Spray the top bolts with lubricant, then pull the handle downwards to detract the bolts. Follow the same steps with the handle and spray the centre latch and bolt, and then the bottom bolts in turn. Once all 3 points have been lubricated, lift the lever handle up and down 6 times to help work the lubricant into the lock. If any lubricant is running down the door, wipe it clean with a spare rag or kitchen towel. That's it, you're all done. It is advised that this is done every 6 months to help keep your door lock working perfectly. Thanks for watching. For more instructional videos in this series, please visit our website, aztec-windows.com.